Scania's all-new battery electric truck, as well as an updated version of our popular hybrid truck. You know, at Scania we have said that once it makes sense for our customers to invest in electrified trucks, we will be ready. And that time is now. In certain segments and market, electrification is now a good investment for our customers, and more markets and segments will follow in the coming years. Electrification is also a very important part of our ambition to decarbonize transport. However, electrification can only take off if we work together. We need to work together with our customers and our infrastructure partners. Then we can get electrical trucks running on renewable energy out on our roads. At Scania, we have a very strong purpose. A purpose to drive the shift towards a sustainable transport system. And we have also put some very tough targets on ourselves. We have signed up for science-based targets for 2025 in order to do our part on delivering on the goals of the Paris Agreement. And to reach these targets, electrification needs to happen. That is why we are also making a very strong commitment to launch an electrified product every year the coming years. It is about being true to our purpose, delivering on the commitment of science-based targets, and to work towards a sustainable transport system. And of course, a better planet. And now, let's have a look at the all-new Scania electric truck range.
The fully electric truck is the first of its kind in a new Scania era, starting now. Made for the most demanding customers that have set green operations as a top priority. Available both as an L and a P cab, ideal for urban applications, with a 230 kilowatt electric motor, giving up to a 250 kilometer range in a single charge. Customers can choose between 165 or 300 kilowatt hours. Available battery packs are either 5 or 9 batteries. This is optimal driver comfort with smooth gear changing and the silent, clean operation that the city so desperately needs. The electrified era is here and now. The updated plug-in hybrid from Scania has taken a great leap forward, increasing the range in true electric mode to 60 kilometers. This is the ultimate flexible green truck, making sustainability possible in spite of ever-changing conditions. It packs 3 batteries for a total of 90 kilowatt hours, feeding the 115 kilowatt electric motor. Reaching an 80% charge from nothing is done within 35 minutes. This makes charging convenient at loading or unloading. Charging by regenerative braking serves as a complement. When needed, the 280 to 360 horsepower combustion engine takes over. With the capability of using renewable fuels, emissions can be kept to a minimum. This is the first step to going fully electric. The new Scania e-trucks can be configured with a wide selection of bodywork, from tippers to refuse collectors to general cargo, and so on. Scania is premium quality in the electric era, with new products launching every year, taking charge of the future.